Hi, I'm Stephanie Woodward and I'm a brand ambassador with Quantum Rehab, and this is how I use my iLevel to help me get my dry cleaning out of the car and into the house. So the dry cleaning, we use SUVs, both of me and my fiance, so everything's going to be pretty high. So I just go up into iLevel and then I'm able to reach the hangers. The tricky part is getting them off the hook. So move a little bit forward and then grab them out. And then because I'm an iLevel, I'm able to put them right on the back of my chair and not have to worry about them dragging. I know that they're all good. We got a lot of dry cleaning. You can tell we have not gone in a while. So we'll just hook all of these up. You can see that, well, the plastic bags might be touching, the shirts aren't, nothing's touching. And now I can just roll straight into the house and take them right off here and be able to reach for them in the closet. And that's it.